It's an honor to be chosen as Business of the Year. We weren't expecting it, to say the least. I didn't even know we were on anyone's radar.
Every year we have an annual dinner, and at that annual dinner, the community comes together to celebrate the accomplishments of the year. We install our new board of directors, and we recognize the Citizens of the Year, the Youth Service Award, and we also recognize the Business of the Year.
And I also want to thank the members of this organization and this community who have played a part in our success.
Cloacina's journey has been fast-paced, to say the least. There are days where I just come in and hang on for the ride, and there's other days where I feel like I've got it by the horns.
Cloacina we chose, one, because they're a really solid employer in South County, but also because they represent everything that a Business of the Year should represent. They're innovative, they help the environment, they are growing, their culture and values just really represent South County so well. We have 700 business members, so to be selected as Business of the Year is really quite an accomplishment.
We're typically not looking for the limelight, so it was quite an honor when they told us that. We've hired people who have the exact same mentality as we do, who compromise absolutely nothing, and are constantly striving for that quintessential perfection within the wastewater industry. And I see us positioned perfectly to increase our exposure across the entire United States and possibly even further than that. There were a ton of people who said nobody would ever pay for a better quality plant, and I think we've proven them wrong.